5 ways to make money from YouTube with 0 subscribers. I mean 0 subscribers. You are surprised, right? And the reason is because you've been brainwashed into believing that the only way to make money from your videos on YouTube is to get YouTube to pay you the AdSense payment. Well, that is a tiny fraction of ways you can make money from YouTube. So in this video, I am going to show you 5 proven ways you can make money today from your YouTube videos as a creator, even with 0 subscribers. Now, these are not theories. These are 5 things I have done and currently do to make money in addition to the AdSense payment. So if you have less than 1,000 subscribers, less than 4,000 watch hours, and you're considering giving up on YouTube simply because the money is not coming, the problem is not YouTube. The problem is that you've not been taught the exact way to make money from your content. Now, the truth is that the moment you start making money from your videos as a creator, no matter how small the money is, it builds your confidence and helps you continue creating content, waiting for the big breakthrough. So let me show you what I have done on YouTube to make money as a creator, even before I got monetized. I won't just be talking about me. I will show you evidence of what I'm about to show you. I will also show you other creators that are making thousands, tens of thousands of dollars from YouTube outside of AdSense payment. Hello and welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time seeing me, my name is Chamaka, and on this channel, I teach you how to launch, grow, and monetize your YouTube channel. So if this is the kind of thing you love, go on and hit that subscribe button and the bell icon beside it so you get notified each time I publish new videos. Let's get into it. The first one is something I have done, and I've seen a good number of smart creators, even with 0 subscribers, do this too. And this is selling your knowledge, your skills, and experiences. As a creator, it's not okay uploading videos on YouTube and waiting for monetization from AdSense. No. This knowledge you have, this skill you have, this experience you have can be packaged and sold to the world. I mean, there's a hungry audience, people who are looking for your video. They need what you offer. So here's what you can do. You are a graphic designer. You are a video editor, a ghostwriter. Create simple tutorial videos that guide us on what you do, why it's important, and how you help us solve the problem. Anyone that watches your video needs that service. If you package it in a way that will look beyond just getting views into promoting your skills and what you can offer, the services you offer, you'll be surprised how many people will reach out to you. So this is what you're going to do. You're going to create short tutorial videos that talk about the problem and how you help solve the problem. So if you convince us in your videos that we have a problem and you can solve the problem, and you can even do it at affordable rate, there's contact details on your channel. With the good video you uploaded showing actually how you solve the problem, we are going to reach out to you. I know a lady with only 15 subscribers. She is a logo designer. Her videos are so good that with only 3 videos, she was able to get her first client. And she continues to work with this client. The moment you stop looking at how to just get views on your videos, but how to use your videos to promote your services, everything will change for you. I mean, you will start making money. The second is affiliate income. This is one of the easiest way to make money even with 0 subscribers. As a small creator, you need to start uploading videos with links. When people watch your videos and gain value, whatever recommendation you give them, they are most likely going to use your link to get whatever recommendation is. And the interesting thing is that affiliate programs are free. There are so many. In fact, there's no limit to the kind of affiliate program you can join right now. Whether it's Amazon, Canva, Seller, just think of it. You can actually make money just recommending those services and products, even apps. For example, this video here has made over 73,000 Naira for me through affiliate. It's an app. I just talked about the app and how I've been using it to make money and save money. At the end of the video, I included my affiliate link, which is a referral link. Over 2,700 people have signed up. So far, I've made 73,000 Naira from this. And I have about 2.5 million pending payment, which means when these 2,500 people use the app, I am going to earn extra 2.5 million Naira for talking about this particular app. This is affiliate. It is referral. Let me show you one creator that has made thousands of dollars with just one video through affiliate marketing. So this video here, Think Media. So in this video, this channel reviewed this gadget you see here. And then at the end of the video, he included the affiliate link. He made another video talking about how he has earned thousands of dollars just through that affiliate link. So as a creator, start taking advantage of affiliate marketing. It is easy and it's free to start. Just find those products and services that are related to what you do and then recommend them to your audience. The third way to make money from YouTube, even with 0 subscribers, is to sell digital products. This is one of the sweetest. I've earned hundreds of thousands of naira through this sales of digital product. For example, this video here, I created a very short ebook and I sold it only on this video. I only talked about this ebook on this video and I've made over 100,000 naira just through this particular video, selling one digital product. And this video continues to generate income for me on a daily basis. You can create a short ebook, checklist, whatever the thing is that your audience needs, and start using your videos to promote them. When you make valuable video around that particular thing, and at the end of the day, you're able to itemize the problems, why we need solution to the problem, and then you have this low-priced digital product that solves the problem. Why won't I grab it? The fourth way to make money from YouTube, even with 0 subscribers, is to use YouTube to drive traffic to your business. So you have this physical business, online business that you need customers. YouTube is actually one of the easiest way to get the traffic to that business. Whether you are a coach, you are a consultant, you run a physical business, stop sleeping on this opportunity. Use your videos to get yourself customers and clients who will buy from you. I have done this over and over again, and I've seen a lot of small creators doing this. If you have a business that solves a problem for your audience, there's no better way to announce it than to use your videos. So use YouTube videos to bring attention to existing business. Whether you're a hairstylist, you are a tailor, you are a makeup artist, there's no better way to create awareness of your business than to use your video. Stop sleeping on this opportunity and start using it, because making money will make it easier for you to make more videos. So let me give you an example of how you can use this. As a hair vendor, you can actually make a video of how I install this wig in 5 minutes. Then go on to drop a link that people can click on and book a session with you. So I watched a video yesterday talking about a particular agricultural product and upcoming trainings. I picked interest. Guess what? I went to the comment section of that video. In the description section and the comment section, this smart creator dropped a Google form for you to fill. If you're interested in this training, if you're interested in this product, just fill the form, and when the program comes up, we notify you. Every detail needed for you to fill the form was given, and I went on to fill the form. This is how the creator was able to capture details, my details, and that's how to sell it. The fifth way to make money as a small creator is to create sponsored content for small brands. Yes, sometimes you need to be proactive. While big channels, big creators are getting brand deals, brands are reaching out to them, you can actually smartly get attention of small brands. They might not pay you a lot of money, but this is you building your portfolio, and that little money paid to you boosts your confidence to continue to create content. So here is a website where you can get sponsored deals as a small creator. Your voice matters. There's this brand that needs you, that needs your audience to, gain visibility, and you can do this. So go on and check it out and start taking action immediately. Finally, as a small creator, stop waiting until you get 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours to start making money from AdSense, because AdSense is just one out of many ways you can make money from YouTube. If you take advantage of these 5 options I mentioned right now, you will start making money immediately. It might not be a lot of money, but it's something. Now, if you wait until you get monetized to start making money, you might be disappointed, because the AdSense money as a small creator will not be a lot. So why don't you start taking advantage of these 5 monetization options? Make some money as a small creator, build brands, build your voice until YouTube's payment starts dropping. This will help you a lot if you take action. Now, let me know in the comment section, which of these options are you going to start immediately after watching this video? As always, I am rooting for you. See you in my next video.